Good morning children. Welcome to the Narayana Live class. Today we are going to see assignment key of coordination the linking system. It is the last assignment in this lesson. This assignment is for 10 marks. In this 10 marks there are 4 objective type questions. Each objective carries half marks, that means 4 halves are 2 marks. And there are 4 very short answer questions. Each very short answer question carries 1 mark, that means 4 ones are 4 marks. And there are 2 short answer questions. Each short answer question carries 2 marks, that means 2 2s are 4 marks. Totally 10 marks. Now let us go see what are the different types of objective type questions. Now we can see first question on the board. Identify the group related to parasympathetic system. Here A and B groups are given to you. Just you have to identify which group belongs to parasympathetic system. Now A group relaxes bronchi, inhibits sex structure, dilates pupil. Read second one. Inhibit heartbeat, constrict pupil, stimulates sex structures. So B is the correct answer for asked question. That means group related to parasympathetic system is B. Okay? Yes. Now second question. Read the sentence and correct the underlined word. See here, one sentence is given to you and already one word also underlined. That one we have to correct it. So let us see. An average adult male brain weighs about 1275 grams. Underline is under the 1275. It is wrong one. Correct answer is 1375 grams. Not 1275. 1275 grams is in female. 1375 grams weight of brain is in the males. Okay? Yes. Remember. Third question. Reflexes for sight and hearing are present in dash part of the brain. Midbrain. Option B, midbrain. In the midbrain, we can see hearing centers and sight centers, vision centers. Okay. Now fourth question. I am a professor of pathology at the University of Freiburg in Germany, working on the structure of pancreas. Who am I? Okay, professor of pathology. He has worked on the structure of the pancreas. So he is asking, who am I? So he was a Paul Langerhans. Okay, Paul Langerhans. Paul Langerhans is the correct answer for who am I question. Now let us see what are the 4 very short answer questions. Fifth question, very short answer question. Which hormone is responsible for cockfight? Fifth question answer. Adrenaline. Adrenaline hormone is responsible for cockfight. Okay, during Sankranti, people will enjoy the cockfight. So they fight because adrenaline hormone release in their bodies. That's why they fight each other. Now, sixth question. What is the nervous system attached to the gut? So, the nervous system which is attached to the digestive system or alimentary canal or gut is the enteric nervous system. What is it? Enteric nervous system. This nervous system works on its own, independently works on its own, without depending on brain. Okay, central nervous system or peripheral nervous system. On its own it can work. Enteric nervous system. Seventh question. What is the speed of nervous transmission? So in our body the messages will transfer from one part to other part. That means from stimulus to response will carry with a maximum speed of 100 meters per second. 100 meters per second. For 1 second, the messages will transfer 100 meters distance. That much speed the messages are transferred in our body. Okay? Yes. Maximum speed. Maximum speed of 100 meters per second. That means from stimulus to response, the time taken for 1 second, how much distance the message travels? 100 meters. Now, 8th question. Define the word phototrophism. Define the word phototrophism. Plants respond to light. Plants show response to light. So that response is called phototrophism. In this, photo means light, trophism means movement. Okay? Yes. What is the meaning of phototrophism? Plants respond to light. Plants respond to trophism. Plants respond to light. In this, photo means light. Light. Trophism means movement. Movement. Okay? So define the word phototrophism means plants respond to light. So that response is called phototrophism. In phototrophism, photo means light and the trophism means movement. Now it is the time for observing what are the short answer questions. 9th question. Short answer questions. First one. Name the hormone secreted by pituitary gland. You know, pituitary gland is located below the brain. It is at the size of pea seed. Even though it is smaller in size, it controls all other endocrine glands. That's why it is called master gland of the body. Because it secretes a number of hormones. That hormones are useful for controlling other endocrine glands. That's why the pituitary gland is called master gland of the body. Let us see what are the hormones secreted by pituitary. Okay, 9th question. So it releases somatotrophin. Somatotrophin means somatotrophin. It is a growth hormone. Okay? Yes. Thyroid stimulating hormone. Thyroid stimulating hormone. Adrenocorticotropic hormone. Adrenocorticotropic hormone. ACTH it is called. And also luteinizing hormone. Luteinizing hormone. Follicle stimulating hormone. Follicle stimulating hormone. Oxytocin. Prolactin. Vasopressin. Okay, growth hormone, somatotrophin, thyroid stimulating hormone, adrenocorticotropic hormone, luteinizing hormone, follicle stimulating hormone, oxytocin, prolactin, vasopressin, etc. These are the different types of hormones secreted by pituitary. Now last question. How many trophic movements are there, or how many trophic movements are shown by the plants and what are they? So trophic movements are 5. Plants show 5 types of trophic movements. 5 types of trophic movements. What are those? They are phototrophism. Number 1, phototrophism. Response to light. Response to light. Number 2, geotrophism. Geotrophism means response to gravitational force of the earth. Response to gravitation. Number 3, hydrotrophism. Hydrotrophism, response to water. Response to water. Number 4, chemotrophism. Chemotrophism, response to chemicals. Fifth one, last one, thigmotrophism. Thigmotrophism, response to touch or response to support. Touch or support. Okay, that means plants will show to light response. Plants show response to light. That means plants will grow towards the sunlight. Then geotrophism means response to gravitation. All the plants' roots grow towards the gravitational force of the earth. And hydrotrophism, some plants which are growing on the walls or on rocky areas, on the rocks, their roots can observe, they grow towards the water. Okay, that is called hydrotrophism. Next, chemotrophism. So chemicals, plants show response to chemicals. You know, some of the pollen grains produce their pollen tube on the stigma. That means stigma secretes some kind of chemicals. So to those chemicals, pollen grain shows response. So that is called chemotrophism. And thigmotrophism. Thigmotrophism means some of the plants tendrils will grow towards the support. You know that some of the weak stemmed plants, okay, when we arrange some support, they grow on the support. That means the tendrils will wind to the support and they grow. So this is called thigmotrophism, touch or support. So this is the key of today's assignment, my dear children. I think you all understood. God bless you.